Hello.
There are literally people right in the windows. I'm trying to have a bath. Hate my life. Yeah, this is a problem.
Wow, that feels great. Here is my OTD. Good morning. Ooh, wow. Good morning, everybody, and welcome to my morning routine. The morning routine of a high school dropout. I can't even smile, my lips are so dry, I feel like they're gonna crack up. Okay. So this is how it starts in my favourite place. My sanctuary, my home, a place nobody can hurt me, my bed. Usually I try and wake up kind of early. Okay, it's 10:15, so I've already thought that. I actually don't really know what I have planned for today. I guess I'm filming, but this is literally so spontaneous, spur of the moment. I just picked my camera up off the side and here we are. Welcome to my YouTube channel, ladies. I've tried to sort of set a schedule where I don't have to work that much on weekends, but I actually got really excited and ended up like spending about 6 hours time. This is too early to be talking. I actually ended up spending like 6 hours editing a video yesterday, so I don't have that to edit today, but I'm sure lots of emails will be coming through soon. Woohoo! I don't know why I'm being sarcastic, so I low-key love emails. Right, so I'm gonna get up and start the day, yay. I actually can't believe I'm filming like this. Look at me.
This is not okay.
Guess that means I'm not going on a walk.
Yeah, this is a problem. And I mean, don't act like you don't have the entire contents of a kitchen covered in your bedroom.
Come on now.
Right, so I'm feeling a bit, what's the word? Repulsive. Recently, I just feel like I haven't been looking after myself that much. I'm really busy like traveling a lot. So I'm just gonna have a relaxing day. I'm gonna do a face mask. Ooh, do I have a hair mask? Wow! I've got a hair mask! Oh my god, that's so fun. I'm gonna do a hair mask. Wow. Really am not Instagram. Don't even fucking at me. In the bath, I'm trying to learn to go bath. It is also really disgusting. I'm literally talking about my whole press. I'm really sorry. This was the bath where this YouTube channel was made.
Wow.
Wow. I'm gonna sound so dumb because I'm sure most people do this, but something that I find really helps if you're working from home, it's really hard to not get back into your bed. And when I edit, I sit on my bed and stuff like that because, I mean, why wouldn't I? But to stop me actually getting, oh, we have a sock and a Fendi top. Did that rhyme? No. I make my bed. Wow, revolutionary, but never. You want. It's too soon after I've woken up to expect me to be able to form sentences. Wow, I remember when I used to film actual real morning routines and they'd be so dramatic at intros. Who remembers old school like Nikki and Gabby, Yara, My Life is Ava, and they'd have these really dramatic, overly saturated intros to like, remember that song? It's like, you know, I remember I wanted to be like that so badly, but I was always way too insecure to ask my family to film me. And looking back, I'm so glad I was too insecure because those videos would have haunted me. Wow, beautiful. Also, look at this new MacBook I got. How beautiful is that? You versus the guy she tells you not to worry about. Been on up in the world, ladies. And yes, I bought it myself for anyone who calls me swap. Sun's come out. How beautiful. Oh, there's someone in the churchyard. Okay, how idyllic is this? I know I moan about where I live all the time, but like waking up and getting to see all this countryside, that's pretty fun. Pretty fun, pretty fash. Actually, am I even allowed to say that anymore? So
literally people right in the windows. I'm trying to have a bath. I hate my life. Right, for my face mask this morning, I'm going to be using this hemp one from Dr. Botanicals. It's really nice. It's really moisturizing. It's called the Hemp Super Enzyme Mask. I actually got gifted this from Beauty Bay, so thank you, Beauty Bay. And for my hair, I'm going to be using the Kerastase. I got a B in French, but I still don't trust myself to not mess up the pronunciation. So we're going to call this the Length Strengthening Mask. This is so freaking hot. This looks like it could be a GCSE art piece. Joke's on me, because my GCSE art was literally me in the bath. That backfired. Oh my god, this bath is so full. I know everyone always gets triggered when my baths are really full. Honestly, kind of same. I am. Oh my god. I literally thought that tap handle was a person. Ooh. I think you're supposed to put it on dry. I'm gonna put it in my ends first. This feels so weird. Surely if you just put a conditioner in dry, wouldn't it do the same thing? Wow, that feels great. I kind of want to go... Sorry, I thought I dropped some. I kind of want to go blonde, maybe, potentially. Not blonde, like white blonde, but I've always spoken about it. I've always thought about it. I've always gone back and forth. And for a while, my hair was falling out, so it was kind of out of the picture, believe it or not, because bleaching your hair is maybe not the best thing to do if you're balding, but it's coming back full force. It's thickening out again. Maybe it might be time for me to live my best blonde life. I've let the hair mask sit for a while and now I'm going to wash it out. I've been using the Function of Beauty shampoos and conditioners. And yeah, I'm going to wash my hair. So I'm out of the bath and I've just been sat on my bed doing some emails, but obviously I can't really show you that if they're like potential brand deals, and it would also probably be quite boring. I also carried on perfecting a video that I finished editing yesterday. I've got that exported and I've edited my thumbnail. That video will already be up by the time you are watching this one, so if you want to go see it, it will probably be the last video on my channel. Notice how I didn't say I'll link it below because I just know I'll forget to do that. But I'm gonna go downstairs and make myself some breakfast. Woo! Actually, I say breakfast. It's 12:30. Oops. Oh, yeah, there's a baby bell in the fridge, boy. Jasmine green tea.
Everything. Hello.
So obviously I've just made my breakfast. I've got a couple corn sausages, some scrambled eggs, tomato, more so brunch because it's literally lunchtime. Literally could eat scrambled eggs, breakfast, lunch and dinner. Also got a massive mug of jasmine green tea. I love green tea, but I've never tried jasmine. Why does it kind of taste like bubble tea?
Maybe they have an idea it's about starting to imagine yourself.
Finished breakfast and I've drank so much tea. I actually feel lightheaded. I'm gonna get dressed. I would show you me getting dressed, but that's probably illegal. Here is my OTD. My dress is from Motel Rocks. Thank you so much to Motel Rocks for gifting this to me. It's literally so cute. Their summer dresses are my fave ever. So I actually think I'm gonna end my video here. I'm gonna go blow dry my hair really quickly and then I'm gonna go out on a walk. The rest of my day will probably consist of me editing this vlog ready for next Saturday, doing some more emails. Where's my necklace? But yeah, it's actually a pretty chill work day today because I did so much yesterday. I'm gonna go outside and enjoy the sun because it's been kind enough to make an appearance today, and this pasty ass needs some sun. I've literally got an Opal nude bikini and right now it just blends in. I love you all so much. Thank you all so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, please don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. You can subscribe if you would like to see more of me. Don't forget to press the little bell notification to make sure my videos come up in your subscription box. You know how YouTube is these days. I have all my social medias listed in the description box down below. I'm most active on my Instagram. Once again, I love you all so much, and I will see you all very soon. Bye. Ow.